Uh-oh. Uh. Man, that basement's so a mess. I've been out in this house one time and playing Mother King and Green Hill Zone and playing outside every day. And now my getting clean, the basement is all dusty. What a lot of dust, what a mess. How did this dust belong? Been a long time. Has spider webs and I have those dust in my chest and treasure chest. And there's this tool wheel, and there's a toy microphone. I'm a young kid. I gotta do something. That's I don't. Is that my stomach? Maybe it's not my stomach. Okay, this is giving me creeps. I don't know who's in my basement. And I think. Oh no, my light was getting broken. Oh no. I can't say anything. I can't say anything. Psh. What was that? Is something in my basement? Hello? Is something in my basement? I call the police. You come on out and show yourself, or else I can call the police. Come on right now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you gonna come out? I go get you. I have to get my bat somewhere. I go get my bat. Man, I lost my bat. I left at my friend's house, the Bandy and Boris Alexander Joy Studio. Well, I got this giant using the Lego hammer. It's real. Hammer's real. Anyway, come on out. I will hurt you. And come out. Is that it's not a cartoon cat. You're not a cartoon cat. Who are you? What is that? What are you? What are you? Ah! Cartoon dog. What's going on down there? Oh, what's the? Oh my god! Oh my goodness! OMG! OMG! What happened? The kid, Purple Toad, he's dead. The blood for word is that creepy word. Blood words is. That's all, folks. What is this? Is this a cartoon? Is this a Looney Tunes? What is this? A Looney Tunes? Ah! The creature! What is it? It's not a cartoon cat. What is that? Ah! Oh, thank God you guys are here. What's the problem, Toad? Yeah, what is a problem? My perfect Toad is dead. What? I didn't kill him. It wasn't me. I hear something screaming. I hear like flash noise. A solid blood words, blood message, creepy message, blood on it. Toad's blood. It says, "That's all, folks. This is Looney Tunes." I don't know who wrote it. I don't know what the creature is. Well, the cartoon guy is in the cage. Then the scientists get how they can bring him turn normal. But isn't that one cartoon? What is it? It look like it's not a cat. It look like a dog. What do you mean a dog? Wait, man, check my schedule, my watch. Sure. Oh dear, Neptune. What is it? Yeah, what is it, Tails? His name is a cartoon dog. A cartoon dog? What in the world? Who created a new one? A cartoon dog. Who is the cartoon dog kill people too? And he said not protect him, and the cartoon dog will kill you, Purple Toad. That's my son. Don't worry. We'll be turning back in this episode. He turned back. Oh. Right. Anyways, we find out that creature, cartoon dog. It's step aside. You're afraid. Yeah. I'm afraid of lightning. Oh, great. His weather is day. Now it's raining. Come inside. You got powers? Yeah, but I got fingertips. But if fingertips can't worry and grow back. His heel grow back faster than death. I know. We need to do something. Call in the power out because never need to use. I yell. Something to help. Okay. Be careful of the siren hand out there. Is grab it on and so what happened in episodes that siren hand's real. Yeah, about that. This sabotage. Just be careful. Use my phone. I got number 1. I got 911. Good job, Mugman. Every time, Toad. Anytime. Stand back, okay? Okay. Ugh, it is Purple Toad. He's dead. I know. Wait, and that Toad sold the message. The blood says that's all, folks. That's weird. Yeah. Look at Looney Tunes. Yeah. Tails, is that your stomach? It's not my stomach, Mugman. It's not my stomach. Me either. Someone there? You supposed to be cartoon dog. Get back. Stand back. Back off. Stay, boy. Stay, boy. You knocked everyone out of the ugly dog. I'm not a cat. I'm a dog. A cartoon dog. I know your name, and I got it, your name. How'd you know? Anyway, you're under arrest on the main side, and you're going in the SCP game. SCP, that guy in the police got SCP, got him. You don't understand. Do you understand? That might. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that tickles a bleeding ink. It's no use. We're doomed. That's gonna kill me. It's on me. Don't worry. I'm just a Lego. See? Just a Lego. See, it's just a Lego. See? I'm a Lego. Oh, right. Never mind, Toad. He's still alive. A zombie? No. He's just a Lego. Oh. Who shoot it? It was me. Laura? The girl? Who? Your name? I don't know. And call me Manor. I know who I am. Anyway. Now, I take this SCP in this prison SCP. His name is a Cartoon SCP-48874. SCP-8874? Yes. I take this to teleport. You guys, you're safe. Farewell. Yeah, that was weird. Yeah. What about? Oh, you. Glad Zazor. Yeah. Every day today, that's all, folks. Hey guys, me, Dylan, Benny, Mugman, Logan here. 8 days to watch this video. You join this video, leave comment down below, ask the question and the comment more, and this link below and describe, and thumbs up button, you pick it up, and you click it, and you love it, you don't like it, it just you see in more episodes I make in the past. See you next episode. Bye everyone. I know who I created Cartoon Dog. Sometimes at first I show you over out. See, I make this cartoon dog made out of clay. I make this myself. Yeah, guys, I do. Anyway, see, that's all, folks. Bye, everyone. That's all, folks. Peace out, and over and out.